ladies and gents, Marla Meridith here from beautiful and sunny Telluride, Colorado. The temps are heating up and it is time for some cool, fresh margaritas. We've got Cinco de Mayo around the corner and still a lot of stay-at-home orders. So it's time to have your party in your house. Get that Zoom happy hour going, get whatever it is you need to do to have a little stay-at-home party. Today, what I've got on deck is fresh raspberry margaritas. You too can create your own little craft cocktails at home. It's not that hard. Using a few fresh ingredients really helps. You don't have to use a bottled juice or whatever. Grab some fruit that you have in the fridge, mash it up. Have you all ever made a simple syrup? It really couldn't be easier. All we're gonna do is boil up equal quantities of sugar and water, which will give us a nice sweet syrup, and we can add it to our drink to taste. All right, so the boyfriend was supposed to pick up granulated sugar today. He didn't. So we are improvising. Remember, improvising is good. Use what you have on hand. Don't fret. I'm using brown sugar instead in the simple syrup. Guys, remember, don't ever despair when you're out of an ingredient. There's pretty much always, maybe unless you're baking, some sort of compromise you will have around the house to make that drink, dish, whatever it is, pretty fabulous. My job is to bring you sophistication made easy in your food, your fashion, your beauty, all of it. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. If you have a moment, go ahead and click the subscribe button. One of the reasons why I love my job so much is because I get to bring the great life to you every single day. We got fresh raspberry margaritas. We had no granulated sugar because you forgot to buy it, so we used a brown sugar simple syrup instead, and I have to say, it's delicious and really makes no difference on the flavor. So if you don't have granulated sugar, go ahead and use brown sugar, okay?